Low pressure switch protects your AC from low refrigerant damage. Your AC low pressure switch shuts the system down when refrigerant pressure drops too low. It helps prevent serious damage, protecting the compressor and avoiding costly repairs. Common causes for low pressure include low refrigerant, dirty coils, and restricted airflow. Warning signs include AC not turning on and ice buildup on lines. Ignoring low pressure issues can lead to compressor failure and expensive repairs. Regular maintenance helps catch these issues early and keeps your system running safely. Protect your system. Don't ignore low pressure warnings. Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning.